Hello there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on bodyweight leg workouts. A strong, healthy pair of legs is essential for any aspiring athlete, and it's a great way to stay in shape. Firstly, I want you to know that you don't need gym equipment or weights to achieve strong legs. We're going to focus on simple exercises that can be done at home or even while traveling. These workouts are effective for both beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts alike. Our first exercise is the bodyweight squat. This is an excellent way to strengthen your quads and glutes while improving your balance and stability. Remember to keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core tight during this exercise for maximum efficiency. Our second exercise is the lunge matrix. This is a powerful workout that targets the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Begin with front lunges, then move on to rear lunges, side lunges, and finally add some explosive hop lunges for an extra challenge. Our third exercise is the wall sit hold. This exercise targets your quads and glutes while also strengthening your core muscles. To do this right, stand with your back against a wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds before taking a break if necessary. But try to hold as long as you can each time you do this exercise. I hope these 3 exercises help you build strong legs without any equipment necessary. Remember that consistency is key even if you can only do 5 minutes a day at first. It's better than nothing. And if you want more bodyweight workouts and diet tips specifically for athletes and beginners, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Until next time, keep moving forward towards your fitness goals.